Continuing on from our previous lesson, we're just going to do a simple program for example, calculating sum of two variables, for example, or a product. So, to make this user-friendly, this program, we will write in, of course, cout. We will write cout, so we will output, for example, a text like input A. Beautiful. And then we will input A, just like in the previous lesson. Oh, my bad. Now, for a second variable, we can have copy this over and have, for example, B. And we can initialize more variables in one line just by adding a comma, a space, and then the next variable, which we will now use to input B. Now, if you want the sum, there are two ways to do it. There is just outputting the sum is, and then outputting here A plus B, which is honestly a boring way. It will work, as you'll see here. Input A, 5, and 3, and it's 8. However, we want to learn about variables and other things like that. So after inputting A and B, we can have another integer, as in sum, which is 0. Or in this case, since it's very easy, it's A plus B. And then we can just write in sum. Now, using this approach, where we'll have like 0, will be more useful, or rather, as we can later in loops, we're just easily going to have, instead of knowing how many times, it's going to be variables, so we're going to keep adding numbers to it, but we're going to get to that later. So just having sum is nicer. It has to be, sum has to be 0 when, for example, working, let me show you like this. Sum is 0, so for example we have here sum is equal to plus equals A. Now plus equals A essentially is the same as the sum equals sum plus A. It's the same because this plus is like this, you're just adding A here to the old variable of sum, and so the new sum will be equal the old value, so it will be 0 plus whatever you put in A. And so essentially what you can also do after this is have sum like this, and I put sum. There we go. We can build a program. 5, 2, and the sum is 7. Very nice. If you want to have something with product, essentially, I mean, you don't have to change how it's written, but I recommend doing it. Product is 1, product plus, what the fuck? Oh my bad. And why is it doing this? No, never mind. Plus equals not plus equals. What did they do that? Why did they do it like this? What? Since when is it? Okay, I have to check the arrow keys for some reason are moving like this. It's like selecting instead of actually like, you know, moving the cursor like around. We use the star, which is the star is as a sign of multiplication. So we do the same here. Product is star equal b. And now we can output product and product. Okay, something is wrong. I can feel it. What the? Huh? What the hell is going on with the program? Never mind. This will have a product, so 5 is product is 25. I just forgot to. I swear to God, what the hell is up with this? Why can't I select? Will this work? No. The hell? Like why doesn't it? Okay, I need to investigate why this is going on. Like what? It's just not working right. Alright. This, as you can see, is very basic products. Just learn how to use the variables, how to change them, manipulate them. And on the next lesson, we're just going to learn about loops, basic loops.